Hello dear children, today we will write two cursive letters. One is capital cursive W and the second one is capital cursive V. Now you remember how we wrote small w, the lowercase one. We started it from the second blue line and we wrote like this. The capital one we will start from the first blue line. Rest will be almost same, slant, straight. Now you have to come down till the blue line, curve, go up, come down, curve, go up, and a smiley. One more time you can see. Start from the first blue line. Okay, now the problems that we face are some children make full slant line and ma'am says you have to make little slant and then straight. So this full slant line is wrong, starting stroke is wrong. Now some children, what they do? They make a loop in the end. We don't want this loop in the end. Some children make one side thin and second side fat. Okay, both the U's should be of the same size. Very fat letter does not look good. And very thin letter. If you make very thin letter, this is also wrong. Okay, so the tail will not be deep and it will not go long. You will not come back on this line and then make the tail like this. Okay, from here only you have to go out curved. Please do not separate from this line. These two lines should be the same like this. Okay, so I think that's all in W. Last time please see how to write. Okay, now the next letter is V. Again the small v we used to write from this second blue line and letter V was written between the two blue lines. Now capital V will start from the first blue line, slant, again slant, again slant, and a small tail. Tail will be a curved one. Once again slant, slant. Okay, so this is letter V. The problems here are, please do not make this line straight and this one slant. Do not make this one slant and this one straight. The tail should not be a loop. Tail should not go far. Okay, this long tail is wrong. Now the very fat V. Some children write very fat V. Please don't write very fat. Neither very fat nor very thin. Okay, so one last time I am telling you the correct formation. Slant, slant, slant. Now this slant line which I am telling you here, it will not go far. Okay, this slant line will not go far. It will not be long. Go up, should be shorter. Okay, and similarly in W, both the sides should be same sized. Okay, happy writing. Bye.